Hi guys, Mr. Man Danny here, Mr. Man Danny's Magnet Man. We're back again. I'm at the same spot as I was last time, or just up from it, from the last bridge I did, just off whieldon Road Stoke. I'm out with cheif. Hey bro, sound man. Yeah, I'll let you know what we get, guys. Proper look at spot number 1, guys. Just across from hard part tiles, Stoke-on-Trent. Got some mad graffiti all over this wall, man. All the way down, nice to be fair, smart man. But yeah, it's caked on. See if we can find any treats. Ain't chuck that in very far, bloody hell. Nothing on the first cast for me. I stood on the other side as well. Yeah, it's very mucky here though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Keep doing it, standing on the wrong end as well. Bloody hell. Tell it's a Sunday. The bridge was the one last week. First catch of the day, Cheif's had a nail. Winner, better out than in. Yeah guys, we weren't having much joy at spot number 1, so we've moved down to the spot I was at last. So yeah, we're going to start from here and work my way up. I'm hoping that we miss some shit. No then, hello Harvey. That's your lady that is. No way. Cheif's on something here. On the 300. What do we have here? Oh, bit of rebar that is, bro. Heavy little clump to be fair, not bad. Better out than in. Bottle cap, a wash it, and a load of grit and nails, a couple of staples. My old good old 5p. Cheif's had something else here. He snagged on something. So, that could be an old circle magnet, that one. Or it could just be a washer. and metal plate. Winner, better out than then. A little collection doing now, bro. What do we have here? One sec, bro. There's some sort of metal plate. Cheif keeps on something over here. There you go, bro. So, like a chimney pot or something. Big cast iron drum. It's got that measurements inside, did you see that? Nice, it doesn't just me. Yeah, it's got measurements if anyone knows what part that's to. It's got something in there. Winner. Better out than him, bro. I'm not having too much glue to do, guys. Big old nut. More stones. Couple of nails. Nice. I believe it's something to do with some scaffolding. Better out than then. Smashing it today, Cheif Keith. He's doing alright, he's had that little pile there as well. Couple old bars and stuff. Oh yeah, magnet fishing, Stoke on Trent. Let's keep going. Hey, I've pulled out that dirty old sandbag, but I'm not having much joy, to be fair. You can see I'm just getting a pile of bloody nails up. On something here. Oh, push part frame. Better out than then, guys. Hey. Ah. Might be on something here, guys. I'm certainly dragging something across. Oh, old spanner. Winner. Love finding tools, guys. I'll clean that up. Nice. Cheif Keith's on the scaffolding bar here. Grab it out so we might lose it. Let me grab it for you. Nice. Better out in them, bro. You say that was about 10 foot. 8 foot. Better out in them, guys. Cheif Keith's on involved today. Bit of rebarb or something. Could be a big nail spike. Looks like a ball on the end. No, we've gone to ball on the end, it was just rust. I can honestly say I'm not bringing Cheif Keith out again because he's embarrassing me here. Look at that. Oh no. Nice. Better out in him, bro. Just had that out. Trying to help Cheif Keith find what he's lost. I'm thinking the gaffer might do better because of the shapes it was. We're on it. I'm going to stop videoing, guys, and I can get it out properly. We've got this here, guys. Captain Keith found it. I pulled it out. It's actually pretty heavy. I believe it's some sort of like bloody... I don't know, to be fair, guys. I really don't know. But I'll be taking it home, cleaning it up. If any of you do know what it is, put it in the comments for us. Be grateful. Cheif Keef's on another here. Oh, winner. Actually, there's a winner, bro, isn't it? Oh, what's it called now? A bloody tracker wheelbase thing, isn't it? Well, either way we've got it anyway. It's actually really big, guys. Bloody hell. It's hammering down on us, but we're still getting some stuff out. I'm on something here, guys. See what it is. Oh, road spark, I think. Fence spark or something. A big old road spark. Fence spark or something. Winner. It's in the pile. Longer. Could be a signpost there. Could be in a square one. Yeah, not bad though. They're out and in. As you can see, guys, it's still hammering it down. But between us, we've had a fair few random items. Some big, some small, some magnetic, some non-magnetic. But yeah, winner. Magnet fishing. Not a boat coming, so we'll get the magnets out for now. What do we have here? Looks like the front mud guard off push bar, possibly the back. Is that when it's had a bath? Don't know. Cheif Keef's going to jump over and do this bit. I'm not sure. I believe it's the River Trent running underneath the canal. I'm not 100% sure. I really know. But I will Google it for if we're going to upload the video, so I will know by then. He's doing it over 300. That's a 150 on each side, but it'll be fine through the job. I'm going to carry on in this bit of the canal here. This little thin cut here. We're going to have a go. I'll let you know if I got anything, guys. Here, a bit more scaffolding equipment I'd say, guys. They're out and in. Cheif Keef's caught something through the rail. I don't think he can get it through though. Well, there's it, bro. And it's gone again. Well, as I told you last week, guys, if you ever lose a magnet like Cheif Keef's just done, get a nice old piece of scrap tight to a rope, drop it in, and you should get it back. This is the second time we've had to do this. Haha, winner. Definitely better out than in, that one. Just pulled this out on the grapple, guys. It's metal, but it didn't stick to the magnet. Aren't sure what it is, to be fair. Like an alloy door or window frame, maybe. Either way, it won't magnetic. Another one of them bloody spark pins, like a fence spark or something, a road pin, I don't know. They're out and in there, guys. Here comes the rain again. So, is that when it's had a bath? Does look like my boot knife, mate. Take it to the wall here behind us. Just give it a couple little taps. Looks like a boot knife. Oh, you broke the end either way. Tap it a bit softer, bro. I clearly took them to go home, eh?
Dotty, toffee,
Toffee hammer, maybe.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Does it like that? I thought it was a boot knife, but then how the end broke off, I wouldn't say so. But another one that we'll take home. I think that's a big old nut. I think it's a couple of nuts, to be fair, yeah. Sugar. Sorry about that, and guys, I put my phone too close to the magnet and it just switched it off. Haha. What do we have here? Nothing really, guys. But yeah, we've had a good day down here. So we've rounded the stuff up, guys. Some of the bits, to be fair, were here before I come last week. But if it looks wet, yeah, we've just pulled it out today. But yeah, not a bad little pile, to be fair, guys, for 2 days. Had 2 trips out. But yeah, better out than then. 100%. Just waiting for me lift home now, guys. It's been a good day. I forgot to put that bit of the other video together about the finger fount last week, so I'm going to chuck that on right at the end now. Magnet fishing Stoke-on-Trent. What do we have here? We've got a key, some other spokes, and what's that? And this is what we found today, guys. I aren't 100% sure what it is. It looks like a bullet, but I don't know. It's really big. So I'm going to try and have a little whack at it and scrub at it, see if we can get it looking up nice. And this is what it turns out to be, guys. It's made of wood. There was a metal plate on it that's proper decayed and corroded over time. It did have a metal piece around here, and then all of this was metal. I believe it's an old brush, possibly an old shaving brush from back in there. But yeah, false alarm, guys, on the last video.